Is your laptop running slow? Don't worry, you don't always need expensive upgrades or paid software. In fact, there are free tools you can use right now to make your laptop run smoother and faster. Today, let's look at 3 of the best. Number 1. CCleaner. This tool has been around for years, and it's still one of the most popular for cleaning up your system. CCleaner removes temporary files, clears browser junk, and fixes broken registry entries that may slow down your laptop. A quick cleanup can free up space and give your computer a noticeable speed boost. Number 2. Malwarebytes. Sometimes the reason your laptop is slow isn't because of clutter, but because of hidden malware or unwanted programs. Malwarebytes is a free security tool that scans for harmful software, removes threats, and keeps your system safe. Even if you already have antivirus, running Malwarebytes once in a while can catch things that slip through. A clean laptop almost always runs faster. And number 3, AVG TuneUp Free. This tool focuses on performance. It disables background apps you don't use, optimizes startup programs, and helps your system run more efficiently. With fewer apps draining your resources, your laptop feels lighter and quicker. The best part? All 3 tools are free to download and easy to use, even if you're not a tech expert. Just install them, run a scan, and let them do the work. Of course, these tools won't turn an old laptop into a brand new gaming machine, but they will remove unnecessary clutter, free up memory, and fix small issues that drag your system down. So the next time your laptop feels slow, before spending money on upgrades, try these 3 free tools: CCleaner, Malwarebytes, and AVG TuneUp. A few clicks could save you time, frustration, and even money. Remember, a faster laptop means more productivity and less stress. And with the right free tools, you can get there today. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.